Dinosaur.
It's up there.
Show him.
This is dinosaur. Let's go up there. This is dinosaur. Come on. This is dinosaur up there. Hey.
Come on.
The cars. There's a car right there. There's a lot of cars.
Oh, go, boy. Showing you something.
What?
Mm.
The cars? A lot of dinosaurs. Up there. No. Up there to the moon. Beard.
Beard. Mustache.
Mustache. Moon and the dinosaurs.
Where's the dinosaur?
Up there.
Where?
Dinosaur up there.
Where?
Up there.
Up to the moon?
Yeah.
Oh. What about the dinosaur in here?
In there?
Yeah.
But no. Dinosaur up there.
How's your ice cream, guys?
Good. Hey, look. What? What? Right there. Right there. And look. Look there. What? Look at the tablet. The tablet. Oh, look it. Look at the moon. The moon? Hey, look at the moon. The light. The light. The sun's going down.
Sun's going down. Mm. What do you call it?
A sun.
Sunset.
Hey! A sunset. Uncle Paul.
Yeah.
Uncle Paul.
Yes.
Hey, Uncle Paul.
Mm. That's a sunset.
There's a flag. Uncle Paul. There's a flag, Uncle Paul.
Yes.
That's a flag. That my mom stinks butt.
Hey, don't say that.
Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs.
Yeah.
I say dinosaurs.
Yes. Dinosaur is good.
What? I can hold myself on my fingers. A book.
Lick the sides, boy. So you don't. It's okay. Lick the sides.
Can you wipe it, please?
It's okay.
Can you wipe that, please?
You're gonna shower later.
It's milking.
It's okay. Bite it. Bite it. Bite it. Bite the ice cream. Eat it faster so it don't melt. There you go.
I got the mustache.
You got a mustache?
Yeah. And me too.
Yeah, you both got mustache.
A bird up there.
Oh. Oh yeah, I see it.
It's a
Oh.
sun. A sun and a bird.
Yeah.
That's a sun. I saw a bird.
You saw a bird?
I saw sun. I saw bird. I saw sun. I saw sun right there.
Boy, eat the ice cream on top. Yeah.
I bite it.
Bite it, yeah. Bite it so it doesn't melt.
I didn't bite it.
Yeah, go. You too, boy.
I did.
Yeah, bite the top. You did. Sorry.
It's good.
Is it good?
Good.
Say thank you to Kingston.
Thank you.
Say you're welcome. Kingston, say you're welcome.
Welcome.
There you go.